Hey, welcome back to Five Lakes Garage, and we got a special guest today. Mr. Dave, come on in here, sir.
How you guys doing today?
All right, so we are not in the shop today, as you can see, because we're out here to go take a walk around this very nice Rubicon Gladiator that he told me was dirty. It doesn't look dirty.
It was dirty, guys. I'm telling you, it was dirty. I went home to wash it just for this video.
All right. So what year is this, and why did you pick a Rubicon Gladiator?
It's a 2020, obviously, Rubicon Gladiator. I picked the Gladiator because I had a pickup truck and I wanted that same ability to go off-road, but also have a pickup truck, so I got rid of my JK and I just went with the Gobi color.
I do like the color, man.
Thank you. Let's see what else I could tell you about this Gladiator. We did the 2-inch, 2.5-inch Mopar lift. But I went with the Falcon 3.3 shocks just because I looked up the ratings and it was a good the spring rate was good. It was good for both of them, using the Mopar springs, the 2-inch springs, 2.5-inch lift spring with this combo is a good combo. It's a good ride.
So I see that's an adjustable one there.
Correct. Yeah.
How hard was it to adjust to get the ride? Or you
very
just kinda...
easy. Yeah, you could just, there's different settings for off-road, on-road, and highway. I also have the TerraFlex steering stabilizer, which is also you can adjust, which is adjustable as well. If you can see it there, you can see the red adjustment knob right there.
Yeah.
I got the Synergy track bar brace, and also I got the track bar support bracket, because on the 2020s and some of the 2021s they went with aluminum steering box and they were having issues with it. There's a recall if you guys want to go and talk to your dealer, check on yours. They'll replace it with the metal one. I just haven't had a chance to go do that yet. Like I said, we got the 2.5-inch Mopar lift. The spring rate with the shocks are perfect. We got the...
are the tie rods stock, or are they...
No, these are 2-ton, tie rods and drag link. Everything is upgraded.
That is some serious beef right there.
Yeah, so I got everything...
I look at my Toyota and they're about that big around, where those are like that big around.
Yeah, I modified that, and then I like the shorty bumper here, and so I kept the Jeep bumper, just took off the wings and just put in just a regular Smitty built wireless winch. I got the Baja Designs lights in there. I got the Baja Designs fog lights there as well. What else we do? We got the control arms. We got all the TerraFlex, all 4 control arms, upper and lower.
And the LEDs come from the factory?
This was factory. I didn't do anything aftermarket there.
And the one thing good about the Gladiator that I've seen so far, he's got 37s on this one. I got 33s on there, and I had to chop my cab mounts because they rubbed. That's a lot of space right there, and those are a lot bigger tire and a less lift.
Yeah, a lot of guys are running 42s or 40s with a 2.5-inch lift, because technically it's a 2.5-inch lift, but it's really 3-inch height that you get from Mopar. Let's see what I can say. There's really... I don't really know. Again, backside you can see the adjustable shocks. So really, if you're going off-road, you to 1, you can adjust it, and then you see the control arms, the upper and lower control arms. They're adjustable. TerraFlex, good product.
Oh, hello there. Thanks for watching. And if you really like it, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you really like it, go ahead and hit the like button. And go ahead and comment, because I want to hear what you have to say. Could be good, could be bad. I don't know. Let me know. And if you really want to send anything to the channel, help us out, whichever, here's a P.O. box that we opened up in case you want to send something. I'll do a video and see what it is. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of the show.
I did get the JCR in the back here. When I do set up here, excuse the mess here, I got my toolbox here, I got some of my recovery. But if you look back here, I got the JCR where you could mount your shovel and roto packs if you want. If you have, I have roto packs, I just don't carry them all the time. And That's about it.
So how often do you actually take it off road? I mean, does it handle pretty well? I mean, it is a Rubicon, so you're pretty well equipped.
Right, so you know, our backyard is Uwharrie National Forest, and so I try to get there at least every couple months, you know, to go out there. That's the only place around here that we can go off-roading, unless we go to, let's say in Virginia, there's another place. I can't think of the name off the top of my head. But yeah, Uwharrie is our backyard, and that's where we go.
Nice.
Let's see.
Yeah, eventually, since I can actually walk a little bit, I'm actually driving my manual. Once I strengthen my leg up a little bit, we're going to be going out there together. But right now, I'm just around town. All right, so is this the end-all be-all? Is this what you're going to do, or are you going to do anything else?
I think in the future, I like to get the JCR rack, so I could get a rooftop tent in the back. But with that, you have to get a different tonneau cover, so it could work with the JCR
with the rack.
rack.
Sure.
Yeah, I want to get the shorty rack. But other than that, there's really nothing else other than, like I said, LED. Here I got the Anvil Overland brace here, so if you could put your phone mount.
Oh, we got to take a close look at that one.
Okay. So this is an Anvil Overland, and let me just show you. It's for your phone mount. I have a mount for my tablet here, so when we use an Onyx off-road, which I'm not proficient with it yet. And then this right here is just really for my walkie-talkies, for my comms. And I'll get a walkie-talkie and show you how it mounts.
All right, the only thing I see wrong with it, it's an automatic.
So back here,
actually, it's not bad. It's not bad room for a Jeep in the back.
No, I got my first aid kit and the survival kit there, and then this would be. So I have a bunch of these bull fangs. I got about 4 or 5 of them. So when we're out there, we can all communicate, and this just really mounts right here. That's what it's for.
Very nice.
Just.
And of course, it's a Gladiator, so you can take the top off.
Correct. Which I haven't done yet, or taken the doors off yet, believe it or not. On my JK, I used to take the doors off all the time, but the weather hasn't been good enough lately for that.
It was only 93 degrees today, but you know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly.
All right, that was a really quick walk around on this 2020 Gladiator Rubicon with Mr. Dave here. You're gonna see him later on in some other episodes when we actually go to Uwharrie. I'm gonna bring my taco, we're gonna bring his Jeep, and hopefully nobody breaks. But we're gonna go up here and do a quick walk around the Precision Dynamics workshop. That's gonna be pretty cool. You got to be able to pay attention to that one. So that's gonna come on later on. So until next time, take it easy, have fun. Thank you, Mr. Dave.
Thank you, guys.
And,
make sure you like and subscribe.
yes, all of that good stuff.
Absolutely.
And we're getting ready to do a tour of Precision Dynamics. See you in a bit. Later.